Hey everybody, Adam Savage in my cave with a show and tell today. This came in from friend of Tested, Vicky Howard of Felted Friends. And I'm about to open and see what wonders lie in here. Felted Friends. Good branding, well done. Okay, there's, oh my goodness. There's a little tail. Oh, this is going to be a delightful unboxing. I can tell already. Oh my goodness. Oh, okay. I feel like that is a shirt of some kind. Let's just crack that. Oh, oh, oh. I'm wrong about everything. This is, oh my God. It's a tote. With the penguin, oh my God, with the chicken, good God. We love Wallace and Gromit so much here. Dude, this is hand painted. Okay, so we're starting off with a banger. Spectacular. Let us go in order and see what we've got here. Let's see. Oh! Dude, have you seen this chicken? Maybe this might be one of the scarier villains in film. I find his coldness to be super chilling. Wow, oh my goodness. I love everything about this. This chest is off center, the nose, the hat, oh my God, everything about this guy is beautiful. That's the first one of 6. We're in for some treats here. Okay, penguin goes next to the penguin tote. Beautiful. Oh geez, this is, oh my goodness, a beaker, a felted beaker. This is magnificent. Perhaps you saw my appearance on the Muppets recently where I attempted to poach Beaker from Dr. Honeydew, unsuccessfully I might add. But look, it didn't matter because now I have Beaker in my shop. Dude. Of the original Muppets, Gonzo, absolutely my spirit guide, but Beaker, my actual form. That's me. Yeah, there we go. I handle emergencies just as well as Beaker. All right, let's see here. Oh, this is so, oh. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a rock legend here. We have Emmet Otter of Emmet Otter's Jug Band. Dude, every one of these characters is showing so much personality. And you know what I love about felting is it's stabby. Like she's just, it's like, it's the codification of tedium, right? Same thing I love talking about, that endless repetition yielding tiny changes, but over time making something amazing. Emmet Otter. Now, Emmet Otter is actually, yeah, and we have, oh, wait. Emmet Otter has a companion. I just want to make sure they're together. Ma Otter, oh my God, look at this costume. Everything about them. Oh my God. Emmet and his ma. This is from Emmet Otter's Jug Band Christmas. Our GM of Tested, Kristen, asserts it's the greatest Christmas special ever made. Oh my God, these guys are so beautiful, and I believe these go into Kristen's collection. Dude, they are such a lovely pair. Okay, we have a couple more, and I'm gonna go in reverse order here because, a Gromit. Oh my God, look at this beauty. Oh, goodness gracious. Vicky, I'm beyond moved. What personality, what a stance, what a, holy cow. This is remarkable. You're sense of form and balance of stuff is chef's kiss. Really, really lovely. Here's the thing. It's relatively easy to make a sculpture that looks good from one angle. That is, most people can get there. But like, to make something that looks great as you spin it, and it looks great at every single angle and communicates a personality and a being, that is non-trivial. Dude, Gromit! We'll wait for that siren. Sounds like they're practicing. Okay. The last one is another furry friend. Oh, yeah. Is this? Oh, my goodness gracious. Oh, it's Fizzgig. When I first cracked the tissue paper, I thought Chewbacca. And then it's not Chewbacca, it's Fizzgig from the Dark Crystal. Dude, Fizzgig will have a happy home here next to the closet monsters for our Labyrinth pinball game. He's already got some friends waiting for him here in the Tested offices. Vicky, I am absolutely blown away by the humor and the sensitivity and the sense of character and form, and I'll add color, all of this. This is an amazing, amazing box to open, and I had no idea such magic would come out of it. You can check out Vicky's work at feltedfriends.shop. Yes, feltedfriends.shop. Thank you so much, Vicky, for sending this amazing assortment. You can check out Vicky's work at feltedfriends.shop or by clicking the link in the description. Oh my God, I'm just gonna spend all day putting him in different places around the shop and taking pictures of him. Thanks you guys for joining me for this beautiful unboxing, and we will see you next time. Thank you guys so much for watching. One of my favorite things we make in our Tested store are demerit badges. These are like scout badges, but for screwing stuff up, because screwing up is not just a part of the making process, it is intrinsic to it, and we like to celebrate that. We've got 27 so far in the Supervisors bundle that you can go buy right now by clicking on the link in the description, but we also have a booster pack of some brand new patches. This is the demerit badge for burning off your eyebrow. I am proudly sewing that to all of my clothes. This is the demerit badge for having a messy workbench, which I do not get today. My workbench is super clean. And we have new octagonal patches that are, merit badges. This is the merit badge for sweeping up your shop. Congratulations, I'm so proud of you. And this, oh my God, this is great. This is the merit badge for creating a clean space on your bench. Hey, we got to take our successes where they come and meet them there. Go to the tested-store.com or adamsavage.com to buy any of these, or click on a link in the description.